Hey everyone! The Xiaomi A27Qi 2026 edition is a subtle but meaningful refinement of what was already one of the better budget 27-inch QHD monitors on the market. When the original model launched in Europe, it quickly earned a reputation as a dependable, affordable option for both everyday productivity and light professional use. This updated version doesn't reinvent the formula, but it strengthens it in exactly the areas that matter most. At its core, the A27Qi remains a 27-inch display with a 2560 by 1440 resolution. That combination continues to be a sweet spot for many users. QHD at 27 inches delivers a sharp, comfortable pixel density that makes text crisp and images detailed without requiring aggressive scaling. For office work, content consumption, and general multitasking, it strikes a near-ideal balance between clarity and performance demands. The IPS panel ensures wide 178-degree viewing angles, maintaining consistent colors and brightness even when viewed off-center, which is especially useful in shared workspaces or multi-monitor setups. The fundamental display characteristics are familiar. While it won't compete with high-end HDR displays or ultra-bright panels designed for sunlit studios, 300 nits is perfectly adequate for most desks and home offices. Color performance is one of the monitor's stronger suits. Xiaomi maintains 8-bit color depth with 100% sRGB and 95% DCI-P3 coverage. For a display in this price bracket, that level of gamut coverage is impressive. It makes the A27Qi suitable not only for web-focused content creation, but also for more color-sensitive work, such as light photo editing, graphic design, and video editing for digital platforms. The most significant upgrade in the 2026 edition is the addition of factory calibration with a delta E of less than 1. For freelancers, designers, and photographers working within a budget, this alone elevates the monitor from being merely good for the price to genuinely compelling. It signals that Xiaomi is taking color fidelity more seriously and targeting users who demand a higher level of precision without stepping into premium territory. Contrast has also been slightly improved to 1300:1. Another meaningful enhancement is the increase in refresh rate from 100 to 120 Hz. While this monitor is not designed as a competitive gaming display, the jump to 120 Hz improves overall fluidity. Pricing remains one of the monitor's strongest selling points. Launching in Thailand at roughly $159, it represents only a small price increase over the previous generation. In a market where similar specifications often push prices well above $200, Xiaomi's pricing strategy keeps the A27Qi highly competitive. The update is deliberately restrained. There are no flashy marketing claims about OLED panels, extreme HDR brightness, or ultra-fast gaming response times. Instead, Xiaomi has focused on refining core fundamentals: resolution, color accuracy, refresh rate, and overall visual quality. The result is a well-balanced monitor that delivers QHD sharpness, 120 Hz smoothness, strong color coverage, and professional-grade calibration for under $200. If Xiaomi expands availability beyond its initial markets, the A27Qi 2026 edition could once again become one of the most attractive budget QHD monitors available. It doesn't aim to dominate headlines, but for users who value practical performance and accurate color in an affordable package, it quietly stands out as one of the smartest choices in its class. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Have a nice day, and God bless you.